Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta headlight. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Torx T30 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of clean gloves. Before starting, make sure your car's ignition is completely off and the engine has cooled down for about 10 minutes. Then, open the bonnet and secure it firmly with the prop rod for safe access. Now let's remove the headlight unit. You'll find 2 or 3 retaining screws securing the assembly, typically 1 or 2 at the front and 1 at the back. Use your Phillips and Torx T30 screwdrivers to remove them. Sometimes, gently lifting the plastic trim helps. Once the screws are out, carefully pull the headlight unit forward and up to release it from its lower mounting lug. Finally, squeeze the clips and disconnect the electrical wiring plug from the rear. With the headlight unit removed, it's time to change the bulb. First, pull off the rubber cover from the rear of the assembly. Next, rotate the bulb holder about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out. Gently remove the old bulb from the holder. When inserting the new bulb, remember to wear clean gloves and avoid touching the glass, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs and press it firmly into the holder. To finish, insert the bulb and holder back into the reflector, rotating it clockwise to secure. Then, refit the rubber cover, ensuring a tight seal. Reconnect the electrical wiring plug to the back of the headlight unit until you hear a click. Carefully maneuver the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure the lower mounting lug engages correctly. Finally, insert and tighten all 2 or 3 retaining screws. Close the bonnet and test your new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.